You're watching How Leap. Let's remove a phone number from Facebook without a WhatsApp code. Open the Facebook website on a computer or mobile browser. Log into your account. Click the down arrow in the top right and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. In the left menu, click Personal and Account Information, then click Contact Info. Here you will see your listed phone numbers. Find the number you want to remove and click Remove next to it. You may be asked to enter your Facebook password for security. Enter it and confirm the removal. The number will be deleted from your account. This process is independent of WhatsApp. If you have two-factor authentication set up with that number, you will need to set up a new method, like an authenticator app, before removing it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.